How to create Viki account. So if you want to create a Viki account, then first of all you need to install the application. To install, you need to open up the Play Store, go for the search bar and search for Viki. And here you will have the application. Simply tap on install and install the application. And once it's downloaded, you can tap on open. And now you can go for sign up for free to create your account. But if you already have an account, then you can go for a login. So I'll be choosing sign up. And now you can sign up with your email, or you can continue with your Google, your Facebook, or you can continue with your Rakuten. So I'll be choosing the first option, which is email. And here you need to enter your name. So to create your account, first enter your name. And then on the next blank, you need to enter your email address. And after that, here you need to create a password. So make sure to enter a strong password with at least 8 to 20 characters. And after that, tap on this box if you want to receive some updates or special offers and marketing promotions to your mail. But if you don't want to receive it, then untap it. And after entering your password, simply tap on confirm. And that's it. Now you can simply tap on let's go and then skip this part. And that's it. That's how you create your Viki account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.